So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a color palette for my project. As you can see, I took a minute and reformatted my type. So now all of my headlines are um, Alt Gothic number 2, and all of my body copy is Chaparral. So I'm ready to move on. When you make a InDesign document, it doesn't have a whole bunch of swatches. That's because they want you to add them very intentionally, especially if you're doing a print project. Since this is not a print project, yay, I have so much more freedom in how I can choose my colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this panel, the Adobe Color Themes panel, which is linked into the Adobe Creative Cloud color community. And if you haven't been to the Adobe Color site, it's very cool. This is a way for you to find, create, and share color palettes. So if you go to Explore and you choose the most popular, as far as this drop down goes, right here, you, if I can get it to stop dropping down, you're going to see these guys. That I'm going to pick this palette right here, Phaedra. So I like this palette. It's going to work really nice. It looks kind of clean and maybe laundry doing. And I'm going to go down here to Actions, and I'm going to say Add to Swatches. Now when I go into my swatches, here's Phaedra. Here's my drop down. Boom. I have all of these colors to use. So right away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my headlines. I'm going to color my headlines. Now, what I did is I went and made a style for my headlines. And if I go to character styles, I see that here's my headline style. So what's very cool about styles is when you make a style and you want to change something, all you need to do is double click it, and I can change anything I want to. If I don't want it to be alternate goth number 2, I can change it. But of course, I do want it to be alternate goth number 2, so I'm going to put it back. But what I am going to change is I'm going to go over here and change the color. And when I go to character color, I can scroll all the way down, and here's Phaedra because I just added it. I'm going to choose the orange color, which is going to be a great headline color, and I'm going to click OK. And now all my headlines are orange. Cool, right?